Yep, I'm just making for announcement for this video. Yeah, I'm during the making announcement there for this video. Hold on. Yeah. And yeah, just making a video. And he's a tape site of John Q. And was printed on, there's 2 print dates, July 8th and June 27th, 2002.
Critics are raving about I Am Sam.
What makes you think you can raise a 7-year-old?
A wonderful movie about the power of the human spirit.
You think Sam can't take care of Lucy?
It doesn't matter what I think.
It matters to me.
One of the year's best pictures. It radiates with Oscar-quality performances by Sean Penn and Michelle Pfeiffer.
Hi, this is Sam!
I Am Sam, rated PG-13.
It's an outgoing message. You need to sound a little more outgoing.
Keep our love between us, everything will work itself out.
Listen, babe.
You're in trouble now.
Are you my man?
You know I'm your man.
Yeah, baby.
You always wanted to make a difference.
I hate you.
Carmen.
I've heard so much about you. Hopefully nothing too bad.
Mekhi Phifer, Beyonce Knowles, Mos Def, Rod Digger, Da Brat, Little Bow Wow, Wyclef Jean, Jermaine Dupri, Carmen, the original hip opera. Go look for it on DVD and VHS.
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at New Line's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz Now, your direct line to New Line.
DVD. See it. Buy it. Own it. Watch it once. Watch it twice. Spend hours watching extras beyond the movie and enter the world of stars and directors and the magic they make. Build a collection for the family. With over 9,000 movies to own, it's the most convenient way to watch a movie. DVD.
This is a modified original version. It's been formatted for your TV by the Classification Rating Administration, www.filmrates.com.